So most people solve this question like 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. Then again 100 minus 90 is equal to also 10. Now 10 times 10 is equal to 100, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So now in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So now 100 minus 90 times, now solve this parenthesis, 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication and then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 100 minus, now solve this multiplication, 90 times 10 is equal to 900. So 100 minus 900 is equal to minus 800. So the correct answer is minus 800, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.